I... Hello, I'm so excited because I am going to unbox my early Christmas gift for myself. And it's the Kodak Charmera. And actually, I'm eyeing for the yellow one. Kasi, yun yung parang retro vibe, di ba? Pero anything naman dito is good for me. Next is blue. So, I don't know. I'm so excited. I got this for 2,500. Actually, binili siya ng friend ko na nasa Hong Kong. Nagpasabay ako. It comes with this 64 gigabytes na SD card na. So, goods na for me. This is it. Ang OA. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa kita. 1, 2, kita ko na. Ay, hindi ko makita. Alam mo, ang sabi ko, okay sa akin lahat, pero ang pinaka hindi sana is itong black. But okay, ito yung nakuha ko, so whatever. It's good Super lightweight niya, and then, okay din naman kasi parang mukha talaga siyang camera kasi black naman yung usual na camera, no? So it's so good. My new baby. Anyways, this is my Kodak Charmera. Bye! Test ko na siya. Wait, maglalagay ako ng sample shots, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, go. Super, super gaan niya. So, kailangan mo siyang ingatan talaga. And for a clumsy person like me. Wait lang, di pa ako marunong mag-control. Babay muna.